Guava is a tropical fruit. The botanical classification for guava is Seedium guava. There are many varieties of guava, but in today's video I will share with you the 3 varieties of guava I planted in my garden, with nutrition and health benefits of guava, and also a simple recipe for guava smoothie. The 3 guava varieties in my garden. The Loa Han Guava, very large heavy fruits. The Taiwan Pink Guava, smaller fruits, the size of a tennis ball. And the Thai White Seedless Guava, relatively large and compact fruit. Out of the 3 guava varieties I grow, the heaviest fruit bearer is the Loa Han variety. Each fruit may weigh around a kg and sometimes more. These extra large fruits are pear-shaped and have a thick juicy flesh below the skin. After removing the center core, a single Loa Han fruit can fill the whole dinner plate when cut and served. Yes, this much from a single Loa Han fruit. A fruitful treat for the whole family. The second guava variety I have that bears heavy fruits is the Thai White Seedless Guava. This fruit has an oval shape and has no seeds at all at the center like the other varieties of guava. Some of the fruits of this variety may reach a weight of around half kg, sometimes a little less. The smallest fruits from this variety are about a quarter kg. Be it big or small fruit, the Thai White Seedless Guava variety has hardly any wastage as every part of the fruit can be eaten. The whole fruit also makes up a good portion of the dinner plate as there is no center core to be removed. The Taiwan Pink Guava variety bears smaller fruits. The fruits are more rounded. Most of the fruits from this variety weigh around a quarter kg. When ripe, the flesh inside acquires a sweet pink color. The flesh is thinner and has a larger center seed core. Though the Taiwan Pink variety bears smaller fruits, but the number of fruits on the tree is always more compared to the other 2 varieties. All these 3 guava varieties I have are grafted plants. They bear fruits much earlier than plants grown from seeds. I have managed to keep all 3 trees short and below 6 feet with regular pruning. This is especially so for easy harvest and for maintenance purpose. Guava fruits are generally consumed semi-ripe. Semi-ripe guava flesh is firm and have a crisp and crunchy texture. Unripe guava fruit is dark green. The fruit can be consumed when it transforms to a yellow-green color. When ripe, guava fruits emit a somewhat mild aromatic tropical fragrance. There are many ways to enjoy guava fruits. The best way is to eat them raw as this preserves all its nutritional value. Smoothies are also another healthy way to enjoy guavas fresh. Every part of this fruit is edible. I, however, prefer to eat it without the skin and the seeds. The flesh of the guava fruit has a texture similar to pears. The center soft core of the guava fruit encases all its seeds. The texture of the flesh at the center between the seeds is very smooth and yummy. Hence, a smoothie made with this center core of the fruit is very delicious. Smoothies made from the Taiwan Pink Guava acquire their natural pink color. How to make this delicious Guava smoothie? From the center seed core of the Guava fruit. To make this delicious and healthy Guava smoothie, we first have to extract some fresh lemon juice. The Guava fruit is next cut into half. The center core with plenty of seeds in it is then scooped out using a spoon. As this is a large fruit, the Loa Han variety, I get a good amount of the core from just a single fruit. All the core is next transferred into a blender jar. Water is then added until the core is submerged. This is for easy blending. Pulse mode was used to blend the mixture until smooth. The hard yellow stony seeds will remain in the mixture and are not blended. The numerous hard seeds are easily strained out and discarded. The strained guava juice is returned to the blender jar again. The guava juice is then blended with all the other ingredients of the smoothie. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. A quarter teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar. The amounts I am adding here are according to my taste. Feel free to change the amounts according to your taste. The mixture is blended again until the sugar is dissolved. The Guava smoothie is now ready and is poured over ice to make that cool, refreshing, tropical treat. Here I have made enough smoothie to fill 2 large glasses from the center core of just a single fruit. Nutrition and health benefit of guava. Hidden inside this common tropical fruit are a number of health benefits you would like to know. Guava is loaded with nutrients. Not only does it have more vitamin C than oranges, but guava is also rich in other antioxidants. The fruit is a very good source of vitamin A and flavonoids like beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein, and cryptoxanthin. These compounds are known to have antioxidant properties and therefore essential for optimum health. Guava is also packed with minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It contains more potassium than other fruits like banana. Weight for weight. Potassium is an important component of cell and body fluids that helps control heart rate and blood pressure. Therefore, consuming fresh guava fruit is a natural remedy to combat all kinds of ailments. Our immune system is naturally born to be turbocharged and ready to take on any virus or bacteria that dare to enter our body. Tasting Thai White Seedless Guava has a mild aroma.
Crunchy
And very mild sweetness.
and very tasty.
Tasting the Loa Han Guava.
A bit sweeter, just as crunchy. Then
The Thai White Seedless Guava.
this has a nice aroma also.
Tasting fresh Guava smoothie. Taking my first sip. Very refreshing. Truly a sweet sour delight. Has a mild tropical flavor to it. Of all the 3 varieties of guava fruit I grow, my favorite is the Loa Han variety. I love its taste, its juiciness, and its crunch. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching.